Okay, at the back I managed to open the back, which actually flips from the bottom, and I saw something interesting, which is new, that the battery is actually it's protected by the plastic, so the terminal won't touch uh, the power slots on the device, so it won't turn on. So I have to remove this plastic first and then turn the battery in, and now I have to switch on the take the back on first, and okay, now we have to turn it on. Let's see what happens now. Yep, powered up. This is the HTC Evo 3D camera at the back. It has dedicated 2D and 3D switch here. That's interesting to see. Let's see what happens if my camera on this device will grab videos or pictures in 3D quality from this device. Okay, see what happens. It's loading now. One more tool. Okay, oh, it's loaded. That's pretty fast. Dual core processor, of course. Um, just the regular HTC. Um, very clear, crisp screen result. Very smooth. Have to check the menu. This is the menu right here. It goes sideways. No, it goes up and down. So it's basically, this one has the Gingerbread Android 2.3. Pretty interesting. It has maps, market, text messaging. Let's see how the keyboard looks on this one. No messages. Compose. This is the keyboard. Huh. Dedicated back button. So this is basically the keyboard. Just to let you know, the home button is on the bottom. This is the menu button right here. Dedicated back button, and of course the search button. Let's go back and see the keyboard sideways. Let's see if it turns the other way. Yep, it does. H. I don't want to just send H. This card, okay. Compose. H E L L. I'm sorry, I'm not comfortable with one hand typing. Hello. Oh, it's pretty easy to use. It's a big keyboard actually. Um, so that's pretty much it. Let's look at the thing that we were looking for. Let's look at the camera on this phone, the 3D camera. The buttons are pretty sensitive on it. To be very careful while pressing them. Let's find camera. Okay, the camera button right here. Okay. This is at this point, this camera is in two-dimensional mode, 2D mode. Let me switch this to 3D and see what happens if you would be able to see. That's very interesting. I think from my camera, which I'm recording with, you won't be able to see the difference, but I can see a fair amount of difference. Let's switch it back to 2D. yeah, so I can see some, actually a lot different. Now this looks cool actually. The camera is amazing on this. Um, Clock widget, 4, you can customize, you can change it to whatever you want. Camcorder button. So let's see the camcorder if it records in 3D. I have switched it to 3D now, and I can see the difference. Oh wow, that looks cool actually, but I'm not sure if you will be able to see it on the device. No. Let's switch back to 2D. Yeah, so it's basically unnoticeable, but this is an amazing camera, 3D camera on this one, an Htc Evo 3D. I think it takes only 2 megapixel of 3D videos, but amazing result. That's called technology. I mean, this is cool. So this is pretty much it. It was actually an unboxing video, so there's a little bit of tour of the HTC Evo 3D introduced by Rogers, and it's already in the markets, so you can go and pick up one for yourself. Thank you. Have a good day.